This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
To remove the front aerodynamic type windscreen wiper blade, pull the arm fully away from the screen until it locks. Pivot the blade 90 degrees from the arm, depress the retaining catch and slide the blade off the peg on the arm. Slide the new wiper blade onto the peg, then pivot the arm and lower it back onto the windscreen. Depress the retaining tab and slide the blade out of the hooked end of the arm. Slide the new blade into the hooked end of the arm until it clicks into place, the reverse of how it was removed. Lower the blade to the glass.